kind of giant sidekick are you?
Nobody talks to my Chickaletta that way.
Hands off! She's mine!
Meg and Ray, look out!
Oh! Thank you, my precious Chicky Wicky Poo. Oh, I wish that horrible bird lady would leave us alone.
It's Ladybird, and I still have a few tricks up my wing.
Oh no, a new trick! Don't do it, Chickaletta!
Wave, sidechick, wave! Whoa!
Whoa!
Energy net!
We have to stop the ladybird from ringing that bell.
But we can't get close to her with this wind!
I have a plan. We just need a way to get Tuck up into the sky.
Somebody call my name?
Skye, just in time. We need you to lift Tuck up to the bell. Tuck, do you think you can get inside the bell without being seen?
Mighty and small, I'll give it my all!
I'm gonna ring, and I'm gonna ding, and I'm gonna blow your town down! What?
Quick, bell tower, Mighty Pup style. Time to do the wave. Woo! Thanks, Mighty Zuma.
Come on, let's get out of here, sidekick. This way!
Oh no, you don't!
My powers! My bell! Ooh, shiny!
The bell! Gotcha!
Ryder, I see a red bird. Whoops, wrong parrot. Whoa, eagle. Whoa, evasive maneuvers.
Skye, you okay?
Yes, but that was close. Wait a sec. Mateo is a red and blue parrot, right? I think I found him. He's heading towards the ruins.
On our way, Skye.
These old ruins are creepy. I feel like something is watching us. Whoa! Wait!
That's Marshall's hat, Mandy.
Yelp for help! Yelp for help!
Mateo!
It came from the roof. If only we had a pup that could get up there. Oh, huh. Like me, huh? I can't see Mateo up here. I'm coming down.
He's got to be up there somewhere.
Okay. I'll keep looking. Mateo!
Ah! Yelp for help!
Come on, Mateo. You're rescued. Whoa! Uh-oh.
Ah!
Wait! Mateo!
Marshall, any luck?
I found him, Ryder. He just went around this corner. Aha!
Ah!
An egg?
Ah!
Ah! I know why Mateo doesn't want to leave. Look!
Yelp for help!
What? He's a she?
Whoa!
Whoa, Marshall!
Whoa!
Got you!
Nice catch, Carlos. Are you okay, Ryder?
I'm okay, but I could use some help.
Chase is on the case!
See? Nothing to it.
Phew. You have to have a real eagle eye to fly around these trees.
Whoa, a real eagle eye. Hey there, birdie. Here's your dinner back. Nice throw, Ace. The eagle caught the fish instead of me. No problem, Skye. We certainly got lucky there. Whoa. But it looks like my luck is running out.
Don't worry, Ace. Just follow Skye. Chase is going to set up a landing strip at Yumi's field.
Come on, Ace. I'll take the lead. I'm on your tail.
Perfect runway, Chase. But Skye will need to see where it is.
I'm on it. Ruff, floodlights.
Great! But your light only shows Skye where we are. We need to light up the runway somehow. Rocky, do you have any old torches on your truck?
Of course. I've got loads.
Great idea, Ryder. Chase
And Rocky
are on the case.
Tape.
You should be near the farm, Skye. Look for the runway light.
Roger that. I see the lights, Ryder. Almost there, Ace. Oh, no. I'm not going to make it. The plane's going down too fast. I've got to jump. Oh, no. Ryder, Ace has to parachute out.
In the dark, she won't be able to see where she's landing. I know. Ace, have you ever done any wing walking?
Yeah, it's my favourite stunt. Haven't you ever seen her walk and roll move? Ace is the greatest wing walker in the whole world. Aw, thanks, Skye.
Brilliant. Skye, drop your cable and harness from the helicopter. If Ace can get out on the wing and attach it to herself, she won't have to parachute.
Roger, Ryder. You copy, Ace? Meet you on the wing. Here I come. Careful. Missed it. I'm not sure I can grab it. I've got my parachute on. I'm going to jump. We can do this, Ace. I'm going to get as close as I can. Got it.
Achoo! I'm a little allergic to feathers. Achoo! He went this way! Achoo! He went this way!
Hi there, little bird. Would you like this piece of bread?
Achoo! 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 Fuzzy! Achoo! Came by here!
Listen, that sounds like Fuzzy. Look up there. Those gulls are stealing Fuzzy's food.
Pick on someone your own size!
Fuzzy, fly down here. He can't. That plastic can ring is wrapped around his wing. He's going to fall. Marshall, quick! Use your ladder to get Fuzzy down. I'm fired up.
Ruff, ruff. Back away from the bread.
I'm coming, Fuzzy. No! Use your helmet. Oh, yes. Great catch, Marshall.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to the Nick Jr. YouTube channel for new videos every day. And find more of your favorite shows on TV on Nickelodeon and the Nick Jr. channel.